Very.
All right, so the holidays are over now, the markets are open, and trade is on right now. And let's try and get an outlook for what to expect in this holiday shortened week. We have Mr. Mukhtar Mohammed, CEO of Finance with Mukhtar, join us via Zoom. Great to have you on the show.
Thank you, Ladi. Good morning.
Right, so we're kicking off trading today. What are you expecting for the market? How do you see investors coming out of the holidays?
Well, investors will be coming from the holiday with a little bit of caution and optimism, depending on which side of the device you will be playing. If you are looking at the banking sector this week, we don't expect so much activities. We've seen what will drive the market. It will be the right issues, what are going to be the prices. We've seen some of them like assets falling below the right issues. Investors might be looking there as an opportunity to get cheap and then maybe still take up their rights. We're expecting Zenith Bank also to tell us what the right issues are going to be, what's the price. UB also expectant to hear what. And also, you know that GTCO have already told us, and people are waiting to know the price and the ratio. In terms of GTCO is not talking about the right issue, they're just talking about a public offer. So hopefully we'll look at maybe some of them will be doing public offer, some of them will be doing right issue. Fidelity Bank right issue is already on. We've seen that the price have moved above the right issue price, so investors will be looking at that space also to take opportunities, also get their right. The other companies that will be driving the market this week will be maybe the brewery sector. Last week we saw Guinness take over, and the majority shareholder leaving Guinness, and so we saw that price rally, and hopefully we'll continue to see that price rally, knowing that the new owners bought it from the old owners at 81 naira. So hopefully we'll see how the market will respond to that today. Also, you mustn't forget also that Nigerian Brewery Bank on the bandwagon of that move from a week ago was selling at 23 naira, today selling at 31 naira. So we expect that maybe news will come in also from the side of Nigerian Brewery. Remember also, we are waiting for the right offer. Dangote Cement, something very information came to the market last week before the close of the week. Black Gold Eyes, one of the shareholders of Dangote, are exiting Nigeria and Kenya. So they may be dumping some of those Dangote shares, and so will Aliko Dangote, the African richest man, be buying back those shares from them, or will it be floated in the market? That also will be what will determine the price. I think for me, those are some of the key market informations that most investors will be looking out for this week.
Right, so much to look out for. But let me get your quick take now. What are you seeing for the Naira this week, in this holiday shortened week?
Well, Naira, well, we saw the good news from the Exim Bank, from the World Bank. 2.3 billion will be coming into the market, to the central bank. Hopefully, it will find its way to the market, but we don't expect them to find a way to the market, or find them coming in trenches. Hopefully, the market should report positively for the Naira, but like I always say, it's a short-time measure. What would really stabilize the Naira will be a long-time measures. And so speculators always know that the short-time measure will just last for some time. And so they always keep on taking profit taking profit when they have to take profit, knowing that the market may receive the news and go down, then hold on to it because they know that it's a short-time game. So we need to begin to see how we can stabilize the Naira. Diaspora remittance are one of them, crude oil sales are other, portfolio investors, both foreign and foreign direct investors also. The good news is that portfolio investors are beginning to come in, even if it's in the fixed income space. So hopefully the Naira should stabilize this week. But I don't see the Naira going as low as what it is currently selling. I see the Naira settling down between 1,480, 1,500, both in the parallel market and the autonomous foreign exchange market.
Right, it's quite incredible. I remember one time it was unthinkable to think of the Naira at over 1,000 Naira to the dollar, but it seems we're getting used to this 1,500, 1,004 band. Quite incredible things happening, but thank you so much. Always great having your perspective. Mr. Mukhtar Mohammed, CEO, Finance with Mukhtar. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ladi, for having me.
All right, that's it from me on Business Morning. We'll give you a summary of the stock market close and details from the FX market at close of trade today. I'm Ladi Williams. It's back to the Sunrise Daily team.